Manhunt on the way for a gunman linked to car of missing Clarendon teacher.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Viewers, on Saturday the 3rd of April, teachers from schools across Clarendon were out combing several communities for any signs of one of their own. 44-year-old Natalie Dawkins, a grade 3 teacher at Four Parts Primary and Junior High School in the parish, has been missing since Tuesday, the 30th of March. Her handbag had been found along the Spanish Town leg of Highway 2000 on Wednesday, the 31st of March, and with each passing day, the concern and worry among relatives, colleagues, friends, and the community grows. A brother of Dawkins, Garfield Campbell, was overcome with emotions as he described the ordeal as rough, adding that their parents were struggling to cope. They are not coping good. Right now, my mother is in shock. My father, every time in breakdown. Garfield said he last saw his sister on Tuesday when he went by the school and she heard he was there and sent the security to call him. He said they chit-chatted for a bit before he left. He was alerted to her disappearance when he got a call from someone at the school seeking to know her whereabouts on Wednesday. He sent a sister to her house in Denby, and there she found the gate locked and the door them locked up with no sign of Dawkins' car. Upon entering the house, using a spare key that Dawkins left with their father, alarm bells went off. 2 television sets were missing from the bedroom and the living room. Natalie's laptop and tablet were also gone. "I don't know what else missing," Garfield said. Natalie was last seen at home at about 11:30 a.m. on Tuesday when her neighbor contacted her about her car alarm that kept going off. Now, on Saturday the 3rd of April, the police recovered Natalie's 2011 Toyota Wish motor car in an operation in Belfield, St. Catherine at about 1:30 p.m. One man was killed by the police and a firearm recovered. A second man escaped in nearby bushes. The police were reportedly acting on information that a navy blue Toyota Wish was seen parked along an abandoned stretch of road in the community. When they arrived at the location, they were reportedly challenged by the men in a shootout. Curious residents came out of their houses to watch as the car was being towed away. One resident said that the vehicle had been in the air with 2 men since Good Friday. The car was in the air with a for sale sign on it since Friday. The next thing I know, today I heard a whole heap of gunshots about 1:30, and then me hear the police have shootout with gunmen, the resident stated. On Sunday morning, the 4th of April, the St. Catherine North police who are investigating Natalie's disappearance said they were still trying to establish the identity of the deceased, in addition to processing the vehicle for further clues. We haven't heard anything else. The only other items found was a cell phone and an envelope with the name of a relative on it. We are not sure if the cell phone belonged to her, a relative said. The search for Dawkins continues, and a reward of $1 million is being offered for information leading to her safe return.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!